Hello, first-time skiers. Welcome to the First Timer's Guide to Skiing at Shymbulak Ski Resort. We're about to show you everything that you need for an epic first day on the slopes at Shymbulak Ski Resort. Think ski passes, transportation, and how not to fall flat on your face. No guarantees there though. Before we hit the slopes, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. I know we're really famous and stuff, but that's a conversation for another time. Hit the bell icon and get ready for more travel tips, secret spots, and ultimate guides. Now, what are we waiting for? Let's ski straight into this video. Okay, first things first. How do we even get to Shymbulak Ski Resort? Easy. Just hop on bus number 12, which conveniently stops right in front of the Shymbulak Gondola base station. Pro tip. It's the second to last stop, and if you're feeling extra adventurous, the final stop is the Medeu Skating Rink. It's the highest skating rink in the world, so why not double the fun and check out both in one day? We've got a Medeu Skating Rink video linked in the description for you. Not into buses? Don't worry. You can always grab a cab through Yandex and save yourself the bus crowd shuffle. So we get to the Gondola base station and surprise! It's snowing and it's crazy cold. We're told that it's even colder at the top. This honestly makes us think twice before going up because we're already freezing. But no worries, we'll be back another day to tackle Shymbulak skiing. Want to see us skate instead? We're heading to Medeu Skating Rink. Follow us, video in the description below. Alright, fast forward to today. It's a much sunnier day, and guess what? We're finally ready to hit the slopes at Shymbulak Ski Resort. This is officially our first ski lesson at Shymbulak. Although it's technically day 3 of skiing for us in Almaty, we did some warm-up runs at Ak-Bulak Ski Resort. You can check that guide in the description. Let's go and have some fun and try not to fall too much. Now, let's talk about this gondola ride. The view's incredible. Snow-capped mountains as far as the eye can see. Even if you're not skiing, the gondola is a must-do. It takes you up to the restaurants, the ski school, and the beginner slopes. So everybody in your squad will need a gondola pass, whether they're shredding the slopes or just sipping hot cocoa at the top. Once you're on the slopes, things get real. For those looking to level up, buy the gondola plus the Combi 1 ticket and head to Combi 1 via the chairlift. I'll go further to Combi 2 if you're feeling like a pro, or just want to snap some epic views. Price breakdown, you'll need a ski pass for skiing, and one of the gondola passes to get up and down the mountain. If you're a beginner, just take the regular gondola return ticket. If you're a bit more seasoned and want to explore the intermediate and advanced slopes, take the gondola Combi 1 or Combi 2 ticket. Ski newbies, listen up. Once you hop off the gondola, the ski school will be right on your left. Right on your left. Yeah, that sounds weird, but anyway. This is where you can hire instructors and grab all the gear you need to look like a pro, even if you're a total beginner. But if you're going without a ski school instructor, you'll be doing the public equipment rental dance in the basement. Haha! Heads up, it can get crowded and finding the right size gear can sometimes feel like a scavenger hunt. We wanted to practice on our own today, but guess what? No instructor, no dedicated equipment. So we ended up hiring one just for the gear access. Talk about a plot twist. Now, if you're skiing alone, booking a trainer for 1 hour should be plenty. But if you're rolling with a crew, 1 to 3 people approximately, we recommend for booking 2 hours. Here's the deal. 12,000 tenge for kiddos 6 to 10 years, 1 hour. 15,000 tenge for adults, 1 hour. 8,000 tenge per person for groups of 3. For all you beginners out there, hire an instructor. They'll teach you all the basics, and trust me, it's way safer this way. One tiny hiccup. There are only a few English-speaking instructors, with most speaking in Russian, so you might need to be patient to get an English instructor, or while waiting, learn some Russian. Let's talk skiing gear. Here's what you absolutely need to rent for skiing in Shymbulak. First, helmet, skis, ski poles, and boots are the basics you must have. Ski goggles are optional but highly recommended on sunny days to avoid getting blinded by the snow glare. Our skiing session in Shymbulak Ski Resort was amazing. If you're looking for a comparison with other ski resorts in Almaty, check out our Ak-Bulak ski guide video. We've got all the details covered there. And that's a wrap for our first time guide to skiing at Shymbulak Ski Resort. We hope this video has helped you feel ready for your own snowy adventure. If you're looking for more, don't miss out on our other videos, including best vegetarian food options and top Indian food recommendations in Almaty. We've done the eating, so you don't have to guess. And more unique adventures that other vloggers haven't covered. So check them out before drafting your itinerary for Almaty. Found this guide helpful? Drop us a comment below or slide into our DMs on Instagram at WeOnATrail. We'll see you on another trail. Until then, we on a trail.